ashgard, winter melon, or safed peta, botanically known as Benincasa hispida. This contains plenty of water, 90% of water, and high in fiber, approximately 11%, also rich in flavonoids, polyphenols. Because of flavonoids and polyphenols, it has antioxidant property. Now we are going to make dal, dal with ashgard. You can use this ashgard for making juice or any other recipe also. Today I'll show you dal. Cut this ashgard into pieces by taking out the outer green layer. See, inner part also we take out and outer layer. Take out the outer layer and cut it into small pieces. Take 1 cup of red gram, clean it and soak it at least 20 to 25 minutes before cooking. We need very simple ingredients like ashgard, onion, green chilies, curry leaves and coriander. Here I am using spring onion also. Keep a bowl on stove, add oil, 2 to 3 spoons of oil, then add seasoning seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and onion seeds. Once they are fried, add onions, green chilies and curry leaves. Fry till the onions are transparent. Add 1 spoon of turmeric. Now add ashgard pieces. Cook till it is little transparent. Then add the dal, that is red gram. Whatever the dal you would like to add, you can add now. Now I have taken red gram and soaked it for 25 minutes. Cleaned and soaked it. Now add all the dal and mix well. 1 cup of water. Mix well and keep a lid. Cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. See, now it is cooked properly. Most of the water absorbed. If you want it little diluted, you can add some more water and cook it. But I wanted it to be like this. Now we go for seasoning. This is optional. I would like to have garlic flavor in the dal. So I go for garlic seasoning. Take 2 spoons of ghee in a pan. Now add crushed garlic to it and fry it till it is little brown in color. Now it is slightly brown in color. We transfer it into dal. Mix it well. Finally, add salt. Salt to taste. Then coriander and spring onion we add as garnishing. Now this dal is ready. Healthy ashgard dal is ready. You can serve it with rice, dalia, roti. Serve it with ghee. Ashgard is a low calorie vegetable with a lot of fiber and antioxidants. This is very good for diabetics and other people because of high content of water and low calorie, high fiber. Make healthy, eat healthy and be healthy. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.